Hey, what's up, everybody? My name's Collins. I'm a local Chicago real estate agent, real estate investor. Like talking everything real estate finance and Bitcoin. I don't know if you've been following or you've seen on Twitter or X now. It seems like you have people in the real estate camp, you have people in the Bitcoin camp, and it doesn't seem like they could really get together and agree on anything. So, doing some research, I thought this was a pretty cool product. So you see a lot of people talking about, cash out refi. So you buy a dilapidated property, need some work, but you don't have the finances to fix it up. But since you've gotten such a great deal on this property and it's worth a lot more, you could do a cash out refi where you get some money, fix the property up, and either rents for more or you could sell it at a higher price. So the lender is willing to take on that additional risk. But with this new, potentially new lending option in the future, a bank will actually allow you to do that, cash out where you're putting a loan against the property. They're giving you money to fix it up. But instead of also maybe getting some money to put in your pocket, they're taking those extra proceeds and they're putting it in Bitcoin. So you get to invest in Bitcoin potentially through the life of the loan. It seems like this product you actually get 4 years. You have to hold it for 4 years, but then the Bitcoin's yours if you pay off the loan. So you're not only getting the chance to fix up the property, you also could potentially get Bitcoin out of the deal, which over the last 10 years, for the most part, has been appreciating and has just hit $100,000. So this gives you an opportunity to really diversify. So then you're not holding cash, so you're not getting eaten up by inflation. You're hedging your risk against inflation by fixing up property, potentially getting cash flow, but then you're also getting Bitcoin on the back end. But this gentleman here can explain it a lot better than I can. So let's pause here and take a listen.
Go ahead.
You got to go backwards. We're just going to slow the whole thing down so
Nice.
everybody understands what happened. Okay. So there's a property,
Yep.
physical property.
That's right.
Multifamily.
Right, it's a
Multifamily.
multifamily-
63 units.
It's a multifamily property. The sponsor, effectively the owner of that property,
Yep.
needs a loan.
That's right.
Okay. They come to you.
That's right.
Okay. You say, we'll provide you the loan in the form of
A loan.
a classic loan.
That's right.
Okay. So you're going to give them cash,
That's right. Term financing.
term financing. And how long's the loan? Just
10 years.
10-year loan. Okay.
That's right.
At above market rate or below, or what's
No,
the
market
just
rate
at
interest rate.
I'm just trying to slow the whole thing. Okay, now let's introduce the Bitcoin piece into it.
That's right.
So no, explain how the Bitcoin piece
And
then
why?
relates. So the loan has been provided.
The use of proceeds is to pay off the existing financing. So
The use of the proceeds
of the loan
of the loan.
is to retire the existing mortgage.
Right. So there's an old mortgage.
Gone.
They're going to pay the old mortgage
That's
off.
been paid off.
Okay.
Now they have a little bit extra money to make some improvements in the property.
Right. So a
And-
little bit extra cash. So the amount of money you've lent pays off the old loan.
That's right.
It's also you have a little bit of extra to fix
Improve
stuff
the
up.
property, fix
Okay.
stuff up.
Yep.
And then with the remainder, which is a little bit
So you
more,
have even a little extra, an
That's
extra
right.
turn.
and that instead of cash out, it's
Uh-huh.
Bitcoin in. And we use it to purchase some Bitcoin and add it to the collateral package of the loan. So now our loan is supported by both the traditional asset, the 63 unit apartment building,
Right.
and the Bitcoin.
Okay.
So the loan, it was maybe $2 million more, so that's how you get the
Exactly.
Bitcoin out?
Exactly right. So it's
On the assumption that the Bitcoin's going to rise faster and that will become an asset. That's
So yeah, I thought this was a really, really cool product. I think it's extremely bullish for Bitcoin. This isn't financial advice, but if lenders start tying, loans for properties to Bitcoin, they're buying more Bitcoin, so this is going to be bullish for Bitcoin. But this is also a great opportunity for the lender because they're decreasing their risk. This is also, I would see, a great, potential product for the investor because not only isn't your money's not sitting just in the property, getting eaten up by the property being in one asset. Essentially, you're putting money into two assets that could be both appreciating over time. So you're thoroughly diversifying there as well. So not only is the lender giving you the money to fix up that property, hopefully to increase cash flow. They're also giving you money to buy Bitcoin. And then at the end of the term of the loan, they're passing that Bitcoin back over to you. So to me, it seems like a win-win. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please feel free to like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.